Bro, what are you doing?
Dude, I had the hiccups. I'm just using this hiccup straw real quick.
What does that thing even do?
Pretty much stops your hiccups. It's got a small hole in the bottom, so when you drink through it, it creates enough pressure in your diaphragm to stop the spasms that's causing the hiccups.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, it was on Shark Tank. Even Mark Cuban said that everyone's gonna have one of these in their medicine cabinet eventually.
Wow. Well, where can I get one of these things?
If you click the orange shopping cart in the bottom left-hand corner, you can actually get one for a flash sale. It's 25% off just for today.